I will support you back after my live presentation. Happy New Year, Sir Ivan Tracker Vlog. Hindi, you stand up. We're here at the riverside. We're watching the excavator to go up from the river. Hello po, Kids Warrior. Lagyan ko po kayo ng standard moderator. Thank you for watching.
Go now.
We will support you back after our live presentation. Giddy, where are you going? You will go home? Don't go down, Giddy. What? Let's go home na. Bye-bye na tayo sa excavator.
Bye-bye, excavator.
You make bye-bye to the excavator? Yes, it's an excavator. Yeah. Can you sing the excavator song? Okay, 1, 2, 3, ready, sing. I'm an excavator. My excavator. Ganun ba yan? Be careful, you will fall down there. Thank you, Kids Warrior, for your compliment. I have a kid here. It's already 3 years old. He loves to watch the excavator. That is the reason why we're here at the riverside. Sending love and support. Thank you. Highly appreciated. We will support you back. Thank you so much. Likewise, God bless you. Thank you for staying my live presentation for this afternoon. Singer, no. Opo. Thank you. I will visit your live later after my live presentation. See you soon. Shh! Singer! Singer, go down. So, go down. O, daan na kayo. Ah, shit! Ha, shit! Huwag mo kagatin yung puwet ni Luke. Yeah, that is Singer, our pet. The name of our pet is Singer. That is 10 years old already.